Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to bend a line in Canva. So for us to be able to get started, just head on to Canva's editing page and choose a template. So we currently have one already in here. And here onto the editing page, onto the left side, you should be able to find in the elements. So under elements, you should be able to find a line in there. So if you're not seeing this one, you could search that one here onto the search bar. So simply click onto line. And then under shapes, there are a lot of options to choose from. You could also see that one here onto graphics, but for us to be able to bend this easily, let's choose the shape one. So we need to choose the default one, which is this, or the normal line. And we could go ahead and edit the line styling here onto the upper part. So let's make the weight bigger for this one so that it should be very visible. Now to go ahead and bend this, you should be able to see that one here onto line type. There are three line types that are offered. We currently use the straight one and we also have elbowed. So you could go ahead and adjust it just like this for elbowed. And for us to be able to bend this, we go ahead and use the curve. So as you can see, you'll just have to click or drag the different points in here to curve this one as per your liking. So you could stretch this as per your liking and you could go ahead and adjust this as well. And that is just basically it, how you bend a line in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.